The Accu-Chek SmartGuide solution lets you monitor and manage your glucose levels through an app on your smartphone. Applying the CGM sensor is done in just a few steps. Let's go through them together. Before you begin, make sure you have the following items ready: an alcohol wipe for disinfection, a new unused Accu-Chek SmartGuide device, a smartphone with the Accu-Chek SmartGuide app downloaded and set up with your Accu-Chek account. The sensor needs to be applied to the back of your upper arm. You will be reminded to replace the sensor every 14 days. Remember that when you replace the sensor, avoid applying it to the same spot. Change the placement and switch your arms to allow your skin to heal properly. Disinfect your skin before applying the sensor. Make sure to let it dry completely before you proceed. Flip the pull tab to open the device. Unscrew the blue twist cap and listen for this sound. The sound indicates that the device is new and has not been previously opened. If it has already been opened, discard it immediately and get a new one. Look inside of the applicator to check that the needle is pointing straight upwards, but make sure not to touch it. If you notice any damage, discard the device and use a new one. Do not put the blue twist cap back on after you have removed it. Make sure to hold on to the cap because you will need the pin printed on it to pair the sensor with your smartphone. You are now ready to apply the sensor. Place your hand on your opposite shoulder to make it easier to apply the sensor. Reach underneath your arm and place the applicator on your skin. Firmly press the applicator onto your skin until you hear it click. Remove the applicator without turning or wiggling it. Smooth the adhesive to make sure it is applied properly. You can wear the sensor for up to a maximum of 14 days. Now your sensor is ready to be paired with your smartphone via the Accu-Chek SmartGuide app. During the pairing process, you will be asked to enter the 6-digit PIN on the twist cap of the sensor applicator. If you need any additional help, follow the pairing instructions in the Accu-Chek SmartGuide app.